Right, so in this vid, I'll do a quick update. I've been, basically today, what I've been doing is fixing things and replacing things that either were going wrong or needed fixing or rectifying. So, I've done my reel, I've put new connections on the reel, I've put a protector, new cap on to protect the connections. But also I've got a new Drywalker Flex. So it's been on my belt for a couple of days, but I've been changing things around, modifying, adding things to it. But what I wanted to say is, this is what I've been using for the last 2.5 years. And I just got fed up with it. The best thing about it is it does take very large washers, but so does the Drywalker Flex. But these handles here take squeegee handles very easily access, which is what I need. Quick access, and also the squeegees will be handle first, and they've got less chance of falling out. But to be honest, it's too big overall, and it will leak unless I put a big bib on, which I made out of a Morrison's bag here, and it's far too heavy, far too heavy. So it's like I've saved myself, what, it feels like I've took 10 kilograms off my work belt. So what I've got here is a Drywalker Flex. But if anybody remembers me talking about the Drywalker Flex, there was a few issues that I didn't like about it. Now, one of the issues was I didn't really like how they took smaller channels, because they can easily fall out. And I've learned over the years to put my tools handle first. So what I've done is I've changed my Drywalker Flex. It does carry large washers. That's a 22 inch. I'm not going to put any others in there. So that helps. I get a dry leg without having to wear a bib. That helps. And I can put my smaller squeegees. This is a 10 inch. This is a 12 inch when I'm doing residential work. And I've made one loop out of rubber. I made the other loop out of a belt, work belt. It's one of the loops from a work belt. And I find that the loop from the work belt works better. But my squeegees are facing forwards, so I don't have to reach around here, and I don't have to aim my channel to go into this slender slot. And I've got very high chance of this falling out, because it's only got a very small amount of channel for it to grip on. So handle first is quicker, easier access. And my Drywalker Flex now has my squeegees facing forwards, and they're nice and parallel with each other. They're not interfering with each other. If I need the 12 comes out. So I've lightened the load. I've put the benefits of having the loops to go handle first. Obviously I've had to change things and organise things myself. But now I'm a fan of the Drywalker Flex, and I've got much less to carry. I've created more space on my work belt, so I don't have everything so crammed up, because that peri tape, a monstrosity, takes up so much space. It's rigid. I can't empty. I can empty much easier here without having to take my belt off. Things just work better. And another good thing is, well, here we go. I've now got the updated versions of the handles, because I've got some brand new handles. So I don't have to use my, they prototypes basically I was using for a long time. And these handles work a lot better with those Allen key wrench to tighten or lessen the tighten if you want. Just a lot more stable to work with than having that rivet that's in there. So yeah, nice new tools to work and play with, and most of the time I play, not work. So I've got that to look forward to in the next few days and weeks, and I don't have to worry with this Drywalker Flex with my squeegees falling out, because they're the small squeegees with the channels. I've now rectified that problem. So there's my update on my work belt, and I'm really looking forward to going to work tomorrow. How sad is that?